हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज की वीडियो में हम 19 जून 2025 के टॉप 30 MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपके लिए क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेशनल रीडिंग डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर ऑन, एंड द आंसर इज 19 जून। Second question, World Sickle Cell Day is observed every year on, and the answer is 19th June. Third question, United Nations declared which day as the International Day Against Unilateral Coercive Measures? And the answer is December 4. Fourth question, where is the headquarters of the Financial Action Task Force, which condemned the Pahalgam terror attack in April 25? And the answer is Paris. Fifth question, which Indian agency secured the country's first silver notice from Interpol? And the answer is Central Bureau of Investigation. Sixth question, which aviation company's operation was suspended after the helicopter crash in Uttarakhand? And the answer is Aryan Aviation. Seventh question, which is the number of the national census to be conducted in 2026-2027? And the answer is 16th. Eighth question, the Nisar mission is a joint Earth observing satellite mission between which two space agencies? And the answer is NASA and ISRO. Ninth question, who will receive his first ever Oscar as an honorary award at the 16th Governors Award in November 2025? And the answer is Tom Cruise. 10th question, which country hosts the Bonn Climate Change Conference 2025? And the answer is Germany. 11th question, International Domestic Workers Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 16th June. 12th question, International Day of Family Remittance 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 16th June. 13th question, who is the author of the debut novel The Stars Light the Way? And the answer is Sucheta Raj Khanna. 14th question, who has been appointed to the SEBI board replacing Ajay Seth? And the answer is Anuradha Thakur. 15th question, recently SIPRI report 2025 was released. According to this, how many nuclear weapons does India have? And the answer is 180. 16th question, whose memoir is the recently launched book titled A Different Kind of Power? And the answer is Jacinda Ardern. 17th question, in which state India's first semiconductor factory will be built? And the answer is Gujarat. 18th question, which two countries are the co-host of the 4th UN Ocean Conference in 2028? And the answer is South Korea and Chile. 19th question, The Convention on the Protection from Biological Hazards in Work Environment has been adopted by? And the answer is International Labour Organization. 20th question. Iran, which was in the news, is situated between which two seas? And the answer is Caspian Sea and Persian Gulf. 21st question. Which state has declared the period from 2025 to 2035 as the decade of hydropower? And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. 22nd question. What has the United Nations declared the year 2026 as? And the answer is International Year of the Women Farmer. 23rd question. On which date is World Refugee Day observed every year? And the answer is 20th June. 24th question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of 2025 World Para Athletics Championship? And the answer is Kangana Ranaut. 25th question. Who has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Mongolia? And the answer is Jandan Shatar Gombojab. 26th question. Till which date has UIDAI extended free Aadhaar document update facility? And the answer is 14th June 2026. 27th question. From April 1st, 2025, what will be the revised agency commission for banks on e-mode revenue transaction for the government? And the answer is rupees 12 per transaction. 28th question. In a strategic move to decentralize operations, the Reserve Bank of India recently shifted its Andhra Pradesh regional office from Hyderabad to which city? And the answer is Vijayawada. 29th question. RuPay, in collaboration with which global payment network, recently launched a 25% cashback offer on in-store international purchases for its card holders? And the answer is JCB International. And the last 30th question. India's largest airline, Indigo, was recently ranked the third in which global award category in the 2025 Skytrax World Airline Awards? And the answer is World's Best Low Cost Carrier. तो ये थे 19 जून 2025 के टॉप 30 इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा recently received approval from the Competition Commission of India, that is CCI, to acquire a controlling stake in which commercial vehicle company? तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।